Imagine you are at a busy street market, thousands of colorful stalls, thousands of products, and everyone is shouting to get your attention to be able to sell their product to you. Now, picture your display ads as one of those stalls. How do you make sure that it's the one that catches everyone's eye? Well, in this video, we are going to figure out exactly that. Hello guys, I am Yash Mehta and I have been in the field of digital marketing for more than 7 years now. My goal with this channel is to bring you every aspect of digital marketing so you never have to look anywhere else for the queries related to marketing. So, hit that subscribe button below to never miss a video again. Now, without any further delay, let's get down to business. In the next few minutes, I am going to show you how you can turn your ignored display ads into an irresistible click magnets. We will be talking about 6 strategies that could actually help you skyrocket your click-through rates almost double or even more than you can imagine. Stick around and you will find some great value before the video ends. You will have tools to create display ads so compelling that even ad blockers would think twice. Strategy number 1, know your audience. By knowing your audience, I mean you really know them. Okay? Tell me one thing, will you show up a vegan potluck with a platter of chicken wings? The same goes for your ads. You should really know who you are talking to. Let's say you are selling latest gaming headphones. Your audience isn't just gamers. Are they hardcore PC gamers who live stream on YouTube? Or are they casual console gamers who play on weekend? Or are they parents looking for a birthday gift for a gaming obsessed teen? The reason for asking this question is each of these needs a different approach. So dive into demographics, interest, and many other aspects with the help of analytical tools. Figure out what makes your audience tick, what keeps them up at night. Here is a small exercise for you. Create audience personas on your own. Give them names, backstories, favorite memes. It will make targeting your ads feel like chatting with an old friend. Strategy number 2. Create designs that makes eyeballs pop. Now, let's talk about design. Your ads has as much about time to make an impression as a new dance trend on Instagram Reel. So, make it count. Colors are your friend, so use them wisely. Remember, red screams, look at me, which is good for sales. Blue says, trust me, I am reliable. It is perfect for health sector or even finance sector. Green whispers, eco-friendly or money. You can use it for financial or eco-friendly products. After color, the next thing which matters the most is fonts. If your audience needs a reading glasses to decipher your message, then you have already lost them. So, keep it clear and bold. See, your only job here is to make your audience understand your message with minimum effort on their end. And please make sure that you A/B test everything. What works for one audience might not work for another. Remember that dialogue from Dear Zindagi where Mr. Khan says, it is important to try various chairs in order to find the chair in which you are most comfortable in. Well, guess what? This metaphor is not only applicable for life choices and relationships, this also goes well for display ads. It is absolutely important to try out different options before settling on what feels right, rather than forcing oneself to stick with one. Strategy number 3, craft a message that hits home. Alright, before I start with this one, I'll tell you something extremely important in marketing. As a marketer, your sole purpose is to make your audience feel understood rather than trying to make your audience understand something you want. Pause the video for a second and give this a good thought. For example, your ad should be like a good therapist. It should be able to understand the problem and offer a good solution. And while drafting your message, don't forget your call to action. Make it snappy, make it urgent, create a sense of urgency and also a sense of scarcity at the same time. Use terms like buy now, learn more or get 50% off. These are the magic words that turns lookers into clickers. Strategy number 4, location, location, location and of course timing. Locations are extremely important. If you ever visited a beach in summer, you will never find someone selling woolen blankets, but you will definitely find someone selling summer hats, flowing skirts, etc. Same goes for your ads. Put them where your audience hangs out online. For example, if you are selling fitness gear, get those ads on health and wellness websites. Also, timing matters as well. Those New Year, New Me and Let's Hit the Gym kind of campaign runs well on January 1st as compared to in the middle of July. Another tip for you here is to remove apps from your ad placements. They are like those friends who forget their wallets every time, which means a lot of clicks but rarely converts. So don't waste your money on such friends and those apps that bring unwanted traffic. Strategy number 5, size matters. When it comes to your ad sizes, you should make sure that it's neither too big nor too small. The crowd favorites are medium rectangle, leaderboard, and white scraper. And remember, mobile is king. 70% of your traffic comes from mobile devices. If your ad looks funky on phone, it's invisible. Strategy number 6, the art of exclusion. Sometimes it's not about who you target, but who you don't. It's like planning a party. You want the right kind of crowd, not just any crowd. Exclude categories that doesn't fit your audience. Selling luxury watches? Maybe skip the bargain hunting category. It's all about quality over quantity. And keep an eye on those placements. Some websites are like that one weird relative at family gatherings. At first, they seem to be fine, but they end up costing you more than they are worth. There you have it, guys. A secret sauce for your audience to never miss your display ad ever again. If you found this helpful, then hit that like button and subscribe for more digital marketing strategies. And let us know in the comments below what all other topics you would like us to cover. Until next time, keep those clicks coming in and those conversions flowing. See you in the next video. Alright, before I start with this one, size matters, bro. और मैं सोच रहा हूँ ये क्या बने